Hey guys, how's it going? Just got this in today. It's a custom picklock. It's got filework on it, a bayonet blade, custom scales. I believe this is work of a fellow named Roger. Roger, if you made this, thanks man, you did great work. It could be from Picklock Pad, I'm not sure. But Duncan, thanks for selling this thing to me. 75 bucks shipped, or 76 bucks shipped. It's a hell of a knife, and a lot of work went into it. I'm real happy with it. It's got a really hard snap to it. Bayonet blade. Beautiful scale work on it. And the filework, same. I think this is Roger's work. It just looks too much like his. He does a lot of flush button releases. He does real good work. But I'm real pleased with it. It'll make a good addition to my collection. Anyway, take it easy. Enjoy it. Later.